Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do elevated sumo squats. This powerful exercise targets your inner thighs, glutes, and hamstrings with greater intensity. By elevating your feet, you increase your range of motion, allowing for a deeper stretch and more effective muscle engagement. To start, you will need two sturdy platforms, such as weight plates or yoga blocks, placed under each foot. Now let's master the form. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointed outward at about a 45-degree angle. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders pulled back, maintaining a straight, neutral spine. As you descend, imagine sitting into a chair, lowering your hips until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, or even deeper if your flexibility allows. Ensure your knees track over your toes. Elevated sumo squats offer numerous benefits for your lower body. They significantly strengthen your adductor muscles, which are vital for hip stability and powerful leg movements. This exercise also powerfully engages your gluteus maximus and medius, helping to build stronger, more defined glutes. Furthermore, the increased depth enhances flexibility in your hips and inner thighs, contributing to improved overall lower body mobility and athletic performance. To ensure safety and effectiveness, avoid common mistakes. First, prevent your knees from caving inward. Always push them out, aligning them with your toes. Second, keep your core engaged and your spine neutral to avoid rounding your lower back. Third, control your movement throughout the entire exercise, both on the way down and on the way up. Move slowly and deliberately to maximize muscle engagement and prevent any potential injuries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.